Yeah, prepare to be amazed.
I did it there before the open. Say, guys, if you're new, wait 6 minutes.
Yeah, wait for the
If you
6
want
minutes.
the green light by us, go ahead, Coach.
Yeah. Reiterating, and newer traders, those who just started, like there were a couple, we had a little influx last Thursday of newer traders. Continue to take notes. I mean, today is a day that you didn't see during the week so far. Different kind of day. You're going to get a bounce as people short cover, but remember, we're looking for resistance to establish a short position. How much? Well, 225 points isn't bad. Now you notice with the new 15 bar, that white moving average came down. You still have the 60 up there.
Even experienced people should be wary of this open.
Yeah, because of just the shocks up and down. I mean, there are a number of traders wanting it to go higher so they can get out of their ill-advised long position. So if you're in that situation, you call your institutional broker and say, hey, I'm trapped here 100 points higher. So what does the institution do? They'll buy it up here, run the stops on weak hand shorts, push it up, get everybody to stop out, and then they knock it down again when their buddies get out. So that's how they help them out. They actually go and buy against the trend to help their buddies out, or clients, I should say. They don't have buddies, and if you pay them, they're your buddy.
Yeah, pay them a lot; they'll be your friend all day long.
If not, yeah. John Gotti was a buddy too of you. They're leeches.
Your friend.
Right now, yeah, S1 and S2 is a good. I mean, if you look at it here, look at your 2-minute chart. It's sort of sideways if you can consider a huge down move like that sideways. But yeah, you want to be shorting. If you're good at timing, just take these shorts. You can see the ticks are still minus 954. What is that telling you guys? Trend is down. Now, if you know how to grab trades, like some of our senior traders, people have been around a while, our coaches, yeah, you can still trade this, make some money. But newer traders, just sit back and watch.
You got to be quick with your stops if you're doing it.
There you go.
People are short now. I do know that, Coach.
Yeah.
But guys, we made our money this morning. Let's sit back and let this thing shake out.
Yep. Good. Look at your average true range, which only dropped to 42 from 90. It was 90. So what does that tell you? Your stop's going to have to be about 125 points. Look at this.
There you go, guys.
What if you went short just now at 30,580? You just lost 100 points in 38 seconds. Do you really want to do that, Nope. On the other hand, what if you went short just before it hooked down on the high stochastics here?
There's the short.
Where Coach Brian did I think you got what did you tell me, 629?
Yeah.
629 down to 580. That's a good trade.
No, I got in at the previous short I did. I got in at 680?
Uh-huh.
That was before the open, though.
Oh, but yeah, before the open, right? Oh, yeah. I thought you meant this one.
No, I already took profits.
Yeah.
I'm sitting on the sidelines waiting for this thing to shake out.
Well, we know S1, guys, is 753. So we don't have too far to go to that. We're at the beast right now, 666. The beast. And remember, 750 was where a lot of buying took place which was ill-advised, but I can almost guarantee you there are people holding longs. And they're a little upset. So, but if you're still holding a long from 750, you probably have a little bit bigger than a $500 account. You know, and you're like, okay, yeah, well, how's that skyscraper we're building in Chicago? Oh, okay, yeah. Hey, the airline reservation system that we're programming on our data link company, how's that doing today? You know, the guy's calling his 42 different companies, doesn't really watch his 10 contracts long. He goes, oh, well, that was dumb. Tell that mechanic, if he doesn't fix that Learjet, I'm going to have to buy another one. Okay, yeah. Do you think people like that worry about one particular investment? You know, they don't. And you know, the broker might be, oh, geez, sir, you're long at 750. Yeah, all right, if it goes to 780, sell it then. Yeah, but it's down like 200, but it'll come back later. That's their attitude. But when they get their level, then you'll start seeing sell. And that's what we look for. In other words, when a market retreats to a previous broken support, you know, traders who bought it there will have a good incentive to take profits. So taking profits on an ill-advised long right now would be what? Selling. Or even taking a small loss.
Still selling.
Yeah, still selling one way or another. Okay, new high since the open right now. Right, this little W, we told you, don't go in. Don't short yet. Let it come up. Let the weak hands get stopped out. Just for reference, let's say we look at since the open, right? And you take 552. Isn't 752 200 points? Right?
And there we go. That's why you have a volatility number, people.
Yeah. Who wants to predict a high? You can't get hurt. We won't yell at you. That's what you should be doing. How high is it going to go before coming down? Let's have some numbers. Let's see how good you can do. I drew 749. I'm going to get rid of that. So we'll make it your numbers. Remember, who was it yesterday who came within 5 ticks of the rally? Denny, right? Yeah. All right. So Denny's been pretty good. We might have him as the new grandpa.
Coach, yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
No, 753. All right. 268. 31, 268, Luis, is going to be the high. Give me a full number, because that number is, we're at 677 right now. So 753 would be up here. The only 250 would be 31,250. Robert says 864. So let's throw an 864 in there. Okay, Luis, 819. All right, we got a nice assortment here.
Now you guys see why we told you to be careful and not get too jumpy to get in.
Yeah.
So what are the numbers?
Look at it. Imagine if you went
829?
short at the bottom now. You're already down like 175 points, right? Not too good. Look at this. Oh, no.
The worst thing you can do, guys, is feel like you're missing out on this this move up.
Right. So now the big fat guy went long at 750 is like, okay, all right, let's take some of them off, you know? Now they can do that, right?
You calling people fat?
No, not some, yeah. On here, but
Not anyone here.
fat wallets.
I know. I'm just messing around.
Somebody with a fat wallet. We'll get it. But you see, guys, there's the whole thing that we're talking about. Like,
I think we could probably.
and even the momentum is up right now. If you notice.
Got to be honest, I did nibble short on that hook stochastics there, Coach.
Okay.
753. Took profits. Sorry, 759. Right at the.
I have a sell limit at 793. Did not get filled.
Took profits. Anybody short on that hook on stochastics there? All right, guys. Good
job.
Make sure you stay profitable. I already took profits on one contract. Stops now, break even, 758. Sorry about that. 758 is my entry. Squeezing it down a little bit more. Stops now at 749. Does that sound like a good stop, Coach?
That's a good one. Yeah, I'm not in yet. I had a
747.
793, so I'm still waiting.
You got 747. Guaranteed profits now. Can't lose.
Good job.
Cannot lose, guys. Squeeze it down a little bit more.
And at 10 o'clock, we have Atlanta Bank.
Bingo.
That's still far off.
This is why we have the volatility number, guys. Patiently wait for that volatility number to get hit. Look for my entry short. Hook on stochastics. Easy short here, guys. Flat.
Good job.
You guys get that?
Good job.
Nice. Good job, guys.
It adds to your, it's like dessert, guys. Adds to your profits already that you got, which is great. And you waited. Isn't it better than jumping in the first minute? Now you waited 7 minutes to get a good trade off. You got it.
Bingo. Anybody still holding? You guys flat? Good. Good trade, guys. Now keep your profits, right, Coach?
Keep them in your pocket, people.
Keep your profits.
Think about spending the money. And when you're at Best Buy, bring back one of my speakers that arrived. They sent a whole bunch. Don't cancel orders there because they're going to let you cancel it. So the truck comes and the guy's like, why do you need like 3 speakers?
I like speakers.
Now, if we get a rally that approaches 780, then this area would be the beginning of an M trade, right? If we had a rally from this level, goes up, fails, and then takes the low out again, that is a short signal. Here we have a 2-minute chart, right? The 2-minute low was what? 640. So right now we're right in the middle of that range.
There we go, Randy. Be done. Good job.
Great job, Randy.
This
Like
is
I said yesterday afternoon, we're going to need a new character to beat up on. Who's over trading now? Who's red? There you go. Raise your hand. New whipping boy.
there we
Who's
go.
red? Anyone red today? They don't want to admit it. They're afraid.
Nobody wants to
There's
admit it.
always one or two. Everybody, that's life. This is trading.
That's a John Madden statement. I should have said that.
Yeah.
And that's trading. And that's football. I did re-enter short, guys. On that little flag there.
There's a short right there on the
There you
break. 6:56, guys.
No lose trading here, guys. Re-enter short if you weren't in it.
Next target is going to be 605. 605 is your next target. Bing.
Nice.
Gloria stops. Yeah, what you want to do here's how you do this, Nick. As soon as it bounces and then comes up, you put a sell stop right under the swing low.
Good job, Jackson.
Trail it.
Stops at my stop right now is at 633.
646. I'm just keeping mine
646.
right under the entry point, so I have one left. You could always lower it, guys. 648 is the stop right now. Mid Bollinger Band, we can go right under there. 638. See the mid Bollinger right there.
Flat.
Boom, flat.
Good
Ding.
job.
Great job, guys.
There we go.
See, if you don't trail your stop, imagine if you went short at 650 and you're already down 40 points. We just showed you how to take a profit even right before a market had a pretty sharp rally, 100-point rally, because you trailed your stop. That's the key.
Exit points.
Power, yeah.
Keep you green.
Don't overtrade, guys. Now, those who finish this trade, how long are you going to wait for the next trade, Nick? Remember the rule we gave the other day? Yeah, you could do a little less on a day like today. Make it like 15 minutes. Just set your watch. 15 minutes from now, you take the next trade.
Yep. There we go. And guys, think about it. If you got in like either of these two shorts, you should almost be done for the day as well, even if you didn't get that short
even
early.
if you didn't make the open.
Right.
If you had trouble logging in, you could have made 30, 40 points on each trade.
We just called the short on the Hookah Stochastics around 941 because it should have been there. The time, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
And then again on the 750 break. Or 650, sorry.
Wasn't able to break the S2 support level. So now you see, now there's the battle between the high and the low right there. Look at that 2-minute chart. Good battle. You got one stochastic pointing down, this one pointing up and high. Let them fight it out. The elephants are rolling around. You don't want to be under them.
Good job, Luis. The elephants are rolling around.
That'd be a good one. Madden and telestrator, an elephant heard, so the elephants must be nearby. That's how we figure it out. And well, we just go tracking them, and there they are. We got the elephant of the day. He's the star of the day. His photo goes on the Madden bus.
He gets a turkey leg.
I love that. I cracked up yesterday when you sent me that calling the Madden trades.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have the Madden game, the new one?
No, I don't play video games.
That would have been fun. Average true range, guys, is still pretty severe right now. Does everybody see that? Instead of just looking at how much money you're making, look at that average true range. 66. I am not going to call a trade now. Everyone's green, correct? Okay, the trading window is closed for a little bit here. At least let's get through the 10 o'clock number, okay? We are done for at least till 10 o'clock. No trades.
Absolutely. Guy, get on my calendar, buddy. Let's get you in this. Good job, House of Lux Lashes.
And now's for any questions that you have. If we can't answer it, 2 or 3 word grunt, you can get a quick phone call. Yeah. I'm very happy to speak to any of you for a minute or two and help you out. Obviously, we can't do an hour phone call, but guys, we want to help you succeed. That's really what we want to do.
That's it. And guys, if you listened to the calls this morning, there's virtually no way you should be in the red. So if you missed out, Guy, like I said, get on my calendar. Do you have the number, Guy, to reach out to get on my calendar? And again, guys, those of you watching, those of you new, please go watch the videos. We have videos that explain your entries. You could have taken entries off that volatility number this morning twice with our trade setups. So watch those videos, call that number, Guy, get on my calendar, and let's make sure that you're getting in these trades appropriately. And that goes back to my disclaimer real quick. If you're watching online, new to the room, we had a couple new people show up this morning. Guys, please watch first couple of days at least. Watch, ask questions, participate. Don't trade. Just got to get a feel of the land, understand what we're doing. If you don't know why we're calling a trade, talk to a coach, ask the question, get on the coach's calendar. We'll help you understand why we're taking these trades and what the method to the madness is, and the reason why coach is telling you sit on the sidelines right now, wait. We have a process, we got a methodology, guys. If you're a couple weeks in, please talk to a coach, make sure you're entering your trades appropriately. We really want you guys to be green doing this. That's my disclaimer.
Yep, got it. I see Diana and Guy. Yeah, okay. Thanks for your openness. And again, you can make those things up. There would have been nothing with a long trade, Diana. You were with the system. The only thing is perhaps you didn't reverse and go short. And when you went long before the big drop, did you use a normal stop? And if you did, no big deal. You could easily make up 25 points.
Guys, everyone here should have a website they can go to know when news is coming out, especially news that's going to cause movement like this in the market. You guys are watching that, right? Diana, you should know when news is coming out so you can stay away from it and not get beat up by that. Diana,
yeah, you don't guess. Yeah.
Don't play the news. If you don't know how to trade the news, don't trade the news. Plain and simple.
And, we could always go over that. Write that trade down, and we can go over the next time you set up a coaching session. We'll go over that trade. I want to know what time you went in, what time. Yeah, well, see, nothing like you. There's the hot stove. Call it hot stove trade. Hey, it's red. What are those red coils for? Let me touch them and see what happens. Wow. Now, if you keep doing it every day, then we can't help you. You need psychiatric help. And every single day, the same mistake over and over and over and over again, then, and I don't mean psychiatric in a negative way. I don't mean straitjacket type of, serial killer, Dexter, something like that. Talking about there are who actually work with emotional triggers. Self-hypnosis, believe it or not, work. Tapes on how to succeed work. These valuable
That's a
things.
lot of what we do, right, Coach? Is that
Yeah.
most of what we do is on the mental, emotional side of things to make sure
Yep.
people are mentally prepared to take trades, have a plan,
Yeah.
stick to it.
Absolutely. Look at this 15-minute bar here, guys. See this 15-minute bar right here? The current one, doji. If you're familiar with a doji candle, that's uncertainty. It doesn't know whether it wants to go above 733 or below what? 636. It's got a 100-point range and it's right in the middle. So read the market. The market's saying, I don't know now. I'm not sure. Did we sell off enough considering the report? In other words, well, markets adjust pretty quickly. 2:00, they're not going to remember this report.
Right.
They'll say, yeah, what about the report? Huh? What are you talking about? That's until next month. Oh, no, the one, 3 hours ago. Oh, I traded that. I'm done. We're looking for Microsoft earnings. We think they'll be good. The market's going up. Oh, okay. NASDAQ is rallying. Oh, okay. I didn't see that. I'm thinking about the report. Yeah. Don't focus on what happened at 8:30. We're thinking of 4:00. Who's going to make the announcements? That's what the market does. And sadly, most people can't adjust to new conditions. If you need further proof, New York Jets. They're making plays as if they have aggressive line. You don't drop back, a 12-step drop back and survey the land, and the quarterback is down. Why? Well, he took 6 seconds to get the play off. No, you probably don't have the team for that.
I didn't know they still had a pro football team. Jets. What a joke.
Well, you know what? They're in developed area. You get homeless people drop in metropolitan area. Talk about football and just drop in just because in the neighborhood. It's like opening up a bar in Brooklyn. I mean, the apartment house next door has like 150 people, enough to stock on 8 flights of stairs, go into the bar, and it's filled.
And just so you guys know, we're not just telling stories for fun of it. We're trying to keep you guys sidetracked until the Atlanta.
Yeah. A minute and a half.
Trying to keep you sidetracked until then. No trading until then, guys. We've taken 3 fantastic trades this morning since we started. No need pushing anymore.
Right. If the Atlanta Fed sort of agrees with what's been happening, this 15-minute bar right here that you're looking at, it's the one right here you're watching. Does everybody see? It's like a mini Crable. The high is 737. It was 586. Currently trading 657.
Great advice here for you newer guys. When you hear us talk about a certain number to look at, please write it down so you can reference it later.
If it's 7.8, it's probably going to route.
Gotta-
Here we go.
See what
Okay, report's out, coming out
There it
anyway.
is. There you go. Advanced traders could have shorted that low there, right, Coach?
Yeah,
Advanced
absolutely.
traders.
Watch that 5. Boom. Take some profit.
But you should be making profits now.
Yeah, I'm short. Next
Same
target, 568. Next target is 568, guys. Right after the report, right there. You see, that report came out, the market broke 680. Let's stay short. 568 next target. 568 is next target. Stop to break even. And it's breaking this 15-minute bar. Remember, the low is 586. The high was 737. Now I got in as soon as the report came out.
The party, you should have been around the 650 area, right?
Yeah, you could jump in right about here. Jump in about 630 if you can. 37 would be mid Bollinger Band.
Now. There we go.
Good job. Good
Easy
job.
trades, guys. You take notes. We're walking through it, letting you know what would happen. Coach pointed it out on the chart. Should have taken it easy. And now you all should be done for the day.
If one more, wait till this acid comes up. So get ready. Keep your eye on the prize. Watch the stochastics. Green is above blue, red. Still pushing up. See it looking?
Guys should already be profitable on that one.